Number 7 says, use the calculator to solve the following integrals and compare answers to problems 1 and 4. So for number 7, I want to compare it to number 1. So your calculator actually has a operation for definite integrals. So it's under the math key. And if you go down to, it's number 9 on mine, and it's fn int. And depending on your version of the calculator, if you have the new system, then it's basically just going to look like an integral. So if you just type in the values here in the boxes, then it should be able to solve it. If you have the old system, then it should show up like this. And the syntax would be your equation, comma, x, because you have to tell it that that's the variable, comma, the bottom limit of integration, and then the top limit of integration. So if you had the old version, it would be like this. And then if you press enter, you should get 140, which is the same thing that we got on number 1. So this is definitely a good way to check these answers. And then you can always convert to fraction. If there's radicals in the answer, it won't be able to convert, but you should be able to check the decimal approximation.